We got to know each other. It was very comfortable, kind of like a big family.
It's been so rewarding to see a group of strangers and loose connections come together. I've done a lot of these different experiences before, but this one was different, and it was our first time doing a more ViYarte branded music type experience. People need to come back to various aspects of community and regularly living with people and sharing meals and connection and inspiration with each other.
Even within just the first 48 hours of like kind of having your guard up and then being able to soften with each other, really seeing them dismantle the belief system of, oh, I can't possibly learn this, to, oh, I got this.
I saw a lot of people throughout the week really come out of their shell and come into the true artist version of themselves. Everyone just working together, feeding off one another, the energy in the room between all the students and myself, and just sharing in the experience. It was a learning experience for me as well. As much as I was teaching them, I felt there was a lot of times when they were teaching me.
And so when we were talking about bringing the sound series to life, we really wanted to touch on the electronic music community. It's been such a huge part of my life and my heart, and it would just seem like a full body yes. It just gives people an opportunity to live and work with somebody that they think is inspiring and totally badass at what they're doing, and that's something that you can't get from YouTube or the internet or anywhere else.
This information is shared, but what we see is that all along, all these students had this potential and this talent inside of them, and they just have to open it up.
It doesn't matter if you're a big performing artist or just the friend, like being able to share your art, what you love, and get inspired by others doing the same. We need more of that community living and artistic sharing in our